the beauty of it. Studio tour. Shit, if you don't know about this right here, this will save your life. This is a MIDI patch pay. So basically, this is the brains when I'm not rocking with the DAW. This is the brains of my operation, the sequencer. So right now I got MIDI out from here, going into here, probably through here. And then I have MIDI out from here, going into here. And this is connected to here. This is connected to here. So it's got an in from here, coming from the out of there. All of these, K2000, very, very slept on piece, very slept on. Whatever this is, Menalog. I'm not really using this no more. Yeah, it's all right. This one, sleeper. I really think this is a sleeper. Just got this. More audio. This sounds really good. Sounds really good. I got some settings dialed in on there. This is my MIDI box for my DAW. So I usually just use one plug for this, which is the MIDI out. MIDI in for my DAW is this because it has USB. So it has USB, and I'm using also the MIDI out and MIDI in to go into my MIDI patch bay. And what else? So yeah, the Juno JU06. Very dope little unit. Really respect it. Really sounds really good. These effects, I'm not even using these right now. The wah. Loving the wah on the bass, but I'm thinking about getting a whammy pedal. You know, y'all let me know what y'all think about whammy. The bass, 5-string. Yeah, man, this the studio. I'm starting to look at gear as an investment now. You know, let's buy, you know, nicer gear. And maybe when times get tough, you can sell that shit and make the same amount you paid for it or even more. Yeah, let me know what y'all think.